Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to list your property on Expedia. Whether you're looking to rent out a vacation home or manage a lodging business, getting your property listed on Expedia opens the door to millions of potential guests worldwide. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can access all the listing features. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says List Your Property. Click on it. This is where the magic begins, as it takes you directly to the property listing setup page. On the next screen, you'll be presented with two options. You can choose between lodging or private residence. Take a moment to think about which category best fits your property. If you're managing a hotel or bed and breakfast, select lodging. If you're renting out a house or apartment, go with private residence. This choice helps Expedia categorize your property correctly for potential guests. After selecting your property type, you'll need to adjust the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. You'll see a simple interface with minus and plus icons next to each field. Click the plus icon to increase the count or the minus icon to decrease it. Once you've set the correct numbers, click Next to move forward. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your address. This is a crucial step because it tells Expedia exactly where your property is located. Type in your address and then click Next to proceed. The system may take a moment to verify the location, so give it a second to load. On the following screen, you'll need to provide more detailed information. Enter your street address, city, and zip code in the respective fields. Make sure everything is accurate, as this information will be visible to guests and used for navigation purposes. Once you've double-checked your entries, click Next to continue. Now it's time to add your personal information. Enter your first name and last name in the provided fields. This helps Expedia identify you as the property owner or manager. After that, you'll need to enter your phone number, email address, and create a password. Your phone number and email are important for communication and account recovery, while the password secures your account. Choose something strong and memorable. Finally, click Next to proceed. At this point, Expedia will process your initial information and guide you through any additional setup steps to complete your property listing. And there you have it. You've successfully started the process of listing your property on Expedia. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.